Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 7 of chapter 10, section 5. Find the vertex, focus and directrix of the parabola y square plus 6y plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. The first step is to bring the equation in the standard parabola form. To do that, we are going to isolate all the y terms to one side and then take the other terms, x and the constant, to the other side. Then we will complete the square, which means we are going to add something to the left hand side and something to the right hand side, so that the left hand side can be written as a perfect square. So to do that, we take half of the middle term, that is half of 6, which is 3, then square the answer. So it will be 3 square, which is a 9. So plus 9 on both sides. The way we come up with that number is half of 6, that will be 3, half of this middle term, that is 3, and then square that number. So 3 square, which is 9. So now the left hand side becomes a perfect square, which can be written as y plus 3 the whole square equal to negative 3x plus 3, if you simplify the right hand side, which can be written as negative 3 times x minus 3. So now the equation of the parabola is in the standard form, y plus 3 the whole square, which is, so it is negative 3 times x minus 1. So we can write the equation of the parabola in standard form. This is y plus 3 the whole square as negative 3 times x minus 1. So this is the equation of the parabola now written in standard form. So the vertex of the parabola is, you have to look at the parenthesis of x and parenthesis of y. So what value of x you need to plug in so that the x parenthesis becomes 0. So x equal to 1, that is the x coordinate of the vertex. What value y you need to plug in into the parenthesis of y. So you get this parenthesis equal to 0, the y parenthesis equal to 0, that will be negative 3. So the vertex of the parabola is 1, negative 3. So look at the graph. We are doing only a rough sketch of the parabola. The question is not asking us to do any graph, but it's better to have an idea of how the parabola is opening up. So you see here you have a square in y, but if you look at equation 1, you have a negative coefficient on the right hand side in front of x. So because you have a square in y, it's a horizontal parabola, which means it's either open to the right or left. But the right hand side negative number tells us that it's a parabola open to the left. So parabola opening to the left. So the vertex of the parabola is 1, negative 3, and we know that the focus and the vertex all lie in the same axis that passing through the point 1, negative axis of the parabola. So that is passing through the point 1, negative 3. So the focus is to the left of the vertex here. So to find out the value of the focus and the focus point, to determine that we need to recognize this as y minus k, or minus k's whole square equal to 4p times x minus h. So this is a standard equation. So looking at these two expressions, we notice 4p equal to negative 3, or if we just focus only on the distance, so 4p equal to 3, or in other words, p equal to 3/4. So it's only the numerical value, p equal to 3/4. So what happens here is we already have the vertex placed at 1, negative 3. So the focus is at a distance p on p to the left of the vertex. So it is the focus point, the x coordinate of the vertex, x coordinate of the focus is actually 1 minus 3/4. P units, you have to be away from the vertex. So it is 1 minus 3/4, which will be equal to 1/4. So the y coordinate of the focus is exactly the y coordinate of the vertex, which is negative 3. So the focus point is actually, in this case, 1/4 negative 3. Then the last part is the directrix. Directrix is a line. In this case, it is a vertical line because it is a horizontal parabola. It's a vertical line which is at a distance p units from the vertex, which is a vertical line, p units from the vertex. So you have to add p units to the x coordinate of the vertex. So it is the directrix is, in this case, x, a vertical line, so x equal to the x coordinate of the vertex, which is 1, plus p, which is equal to 1 plus 3/4, which is equal to 7/4. So that is the line x equal to 7/4, which is the directrix of this parabola. We are not asked to graph, but focuses on the left side, which is whose coordinate is 1/4 negative 3, which is 1/4 negative 3, which is somewhere here, and the directrix is 1 plus 3/4, which is 7/4. So it is a vertical line passing through 7/4. That is the directrix. And this point is the focus, which is 1/4 negative 3. Hope this video helps.